Welcome to Everyday Crystal Magic YouTube channel. I'm Eliana, founder of Everyday Crystal Magic. I'm a certified crystal healer and sacred geometry master. This channel is about learning about crystals in fun and practical ways. We talk about how to use crystals to transform our lives and how crystal therapy works with other spiritual practices and modalities. We release videos every week on specific crystals or best crystals for your purpose and goals, and how to use the tools available to us like crystal grids and crystal combinations. Whether you are starting your crystal journey, if you're looking to integrate crystals to your spiritual practice or combine with other modalities, this is the place for you. Sounds exciting? Hit that subscribe button and let's do some magic.